It's 4:17 in the morning. I need some more caffeine. Good morning, Colorado. I'm Josh Helmuth again, anchoring from home. It's Thursday, April 9th. Hope everyone's doing well. Brent, how you doing this morning? It's not easy working from home. You'd think it would be. There are some pros. You know, I got my slippers on. I'm 8 feet away from the fridge. All right, it's a whopping 5:20 a.m. now. I'm a little more awake. Been drinking these lately, the V8 Energies. They're actually really good. They just taste like fruit juice, kind of dangerous. I got the peach mango going on, I'm wide awake. I don't drink coffee. Normally tea, we're out of tea. V8 Energy it is, but you gotta follow it up with the water. Otherwise, the acid will eat away your teeth. That's not good either. No cavities for this guy. No, not playing that game. Now, I don't have a teleprompter, but that's okay. I kind of like the challenge. I've never field anchored before. This is essentially what it is. I'm basically anchoring out in the field. So all my scripts, again, right here on EMPS, and I try to look at the camera as much as possible, memorize my first couple lines, so I'm looking at the camera as much as possible. But not having a prompter is not a big deal. I kind of like the challenge. I'm in the middle of C block right now for the 5 o'clock show. They're running a package. But this is essentially, I'm gonna turn off the light for a second. This is a little too bright. Basically, you can get your rundowns right here from home. This is my personal iPad, but we have a website, the emps.krdo.com. You log in and you can just follow your scripts on here. It's really convenient. It's great. And then I have, as a backup, I have my laptop. Okay, got it. Cool, thanks. So this is my IFB. I can still hear my producers back at the station. Let me show you what I got right here. This is the Live View, this little backpack right here. It's called a Live View. And I have my IFB connected into here so my producers can talk to me into my ear. And this is the cord. The screen cord connects the Live View to my camera. I did, thank you. Talking back and forth to the producer. Multitasking. I have an Ethernet cable running from my Live View directly to my modem. Better quality in picture. And then of course, everything else is hooked up to a camera. I have a basic industrial light shining down on me right now, back here. And yeah, the whole setup, I have an extension cord. The camera is actually powered through like a battery pack extender. And then of course you have an audio cable running from the camera directly to a microphone that I clip right here, a little lavalier mic right here on my lapel. So it's a pretty simple setup, really. You don't have to have a big fancy camera, even though this camera looks pretty old. Get the leftovers when you're anchoring from home during a pandemic. But hey, it works. The whole thing takes about 5 minutes to set up. It's not that difficult to set up at all. I'm doing it. It's day 4 for me anchoring from home during this pandemic. All is well. Knock on some granite. I hope this video was helpful. If you do like it, please like below, subscribe. I'd love to hear from you. Please comment below. Let me know what your thoughts are. I'm happy to answer any questions. And just disclaimer, I am no engineer whatsoever. So if you have any really technical questions, let me know and I'll ask the people who really know what they're doing.